Welcome. We will continue calculation of support reactions for cantilever. Last time, question number 1 over. If you remember, it was a bookwork type. Point load W at the free end. Now, question 2. Now onwards, see, every question till one limit or one stage, I will write here. Then I will divert here. See, I will divert. I will tell what I am going to do now only. Before that, make a note. Part 2, lecture 50 was for all basic concept of reactions for cantilever beam. Then 51, 52, 53, 54 are master questions completely covering all the concepts. 55, last class, where we solved question 1. But before that, I once again explained all the concept that is previous 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, all those together, single class, I explained everything. Therefore, now onwards, I will not waste time writing or telling again and again same thing. People should study everything from my class, not just once in a while or little here, little there. You will not learn anything. So this I will remove. That's all. Now onwards, I will not tell this one. If someone will see later, he will tell, I have not seen this one. Why? It is your problem. I told every time you tell everything you have studied. Okay. Now this I will remove. Now question 2. Dictated. Okay. I will dictate the question now. A cantilever beam is of length 4 meter. It is loaded by a concentrated load of magnitude 60 kilonewton at the free end. Find reactions at support. Okay. Question given. Class something before solution. One note you have to write here. This note every class I will not tell. In the question, it is given cantilever beam. They did not mention whether it is fixed at left end or fixed at right end. So therefore, I am going to cover everything in structural engineering. Those who study from me, they should absolutely have no difficulty anywhere. They will get complete knowledge. Therefore, what I am doing is, one solve this side, one solve that side. Deviation, solution. Don't see this one. Okay, see this later. Now, right here, once he will solve taking left side fixed, right side free. Then he will solve taking right side fixed, left side free. Write the statement. Every question now, till one stage, it will come. But when I go to multiple loading all, I will not do it. Then in the question I will mention whether left side is fixed or right side is fixed. Every question, if I do that way, it will become never ending. But by that time, you will get mastery on the subject. Therefore, this I will remove now. Okay, start. Solution, see. I will start from here. This is the solution considering left side as fixed. Okay, start now. How? Very fast over. 60 kN for this is a given beam. Class, support reactions. Vertically down, upward reaction. This will create clockwise moment about fixed end, reacting moment anti-clockwise. I will not write, you have to write here. Let VA upward and M, this is systematic solution. That I won't write that also. Option 1, option 2, systematic. I will not write. You can make out. First time solving systematic. Or means direct. No, now onwards, no writing every time option 1, option 2 like that. Okay. VA upward, MA anti-clockwise. First of all, I need not explain. Last time WL question, now numerical, easier. Take moment about A. Why moment about A? Sorry, now I am not telling. Somebody may ask, sir, why moment about A? See there, I took moment about B. Some question may come, sir, why you took moment about B? No idea. Because if you do not know the reason, you are not studying correctly from me. How many times I told that one, see in the earlier classes. Okay, now I will not tell. plus 60 into 4 minus MA equal to 0. MA will come plus 240. Sigma V 0. VA minus 60 0. VA will come plus 60. Class. Positive sign we got. Therefore, write here. Once you write here, first of all you write, we got positive sign. So both directions are correct. And then write statement. Therefore, one in a box type. See, you write it in a box type. Final answer. This is the final result for this question. See, box type. Therefore, support reactions will be as shown below. I won't write it. See, in every class earlier, I used to write it. Those who are following me, they know what I used to write. Therefore, support reactions will be as shown below. You write. If you want to learn everything you write and make fair copy. Only thing, in the notes I will write. Okay. VA up 60, 240 over, or direct. In the direct, what all I tell, you have to write. What all I dictate, you have to write. In direct, nothing like this. Put the original beam. Load, down, action, reaction, up, over. Over. This how many times I told, I don't know. 60 kilonewton. Put the finger at A. Action with respect to moment. 60 into 4. 4. How direction? Clockwise action. Balancing. Anti-clockwise. Over. Now write. Now he will solve, see, or. Suppose you consider, some people may like right side fixed. It is your choice. Okay. If you take right side fixed, down, reaction up. About B, about fixed end, it will create anti-clockwise moment, balancing clockwise. Take moment about B. Why B? Sorry. Minus 60 into 4 plus MB equal to 0. MB will come. Sigma V0, VB will come. Therefore, class. Same as there. What I wrote there, same thing here also. See, final answer. Class. Both we got positive. So, assumed directions are correct. Enter here. Direct. What all I tell right here. Action with respect to vertical equilibrium. Action 60 down. Reaction 60 up. Then rotational effect. No minus, no, see. 60 into 4 anti-clockwise to balance clockwise of 60 into 4. That is MB equal to 240 kilonewton meter. Just let me check the camera once. That's all. Yes, no problem. Okay, over. Question 2 over. Now, I will not waste time here. I will go for question 3. Again, dictated. I am changing the board. You should not do it, dictated. A cantilever beam of length L, bookwork type, is loaded by a concentrated load W at a distance of small a from fixed end. See, write correctly. A cantilever beam of length L is loaded by a concentrated load magnitude capital W at a distance of small a, not left and right end, small a from fixed end. Over. Find support reactions. Okay. I'll prepare everything, then start. Over. Start. Within 5 minutes it will be over now. See. Question I told you, cantilever beam of length L loaded by a point load W. I told at A from fixed end. I never told left and right end. So, one solution here. Right here. Somebody may prefer taking fixed end left side. Then from left side A, why fixed end? Some can solve this way. If they solve this way, they should take A from this side. See, this A is not that AB you used to write from left A, right B. That not that A. Over. Now, download up reaction, clockwise moment, anti-clockwise. Here, download up reaction, anti-clockwise moment, clockwise moment. Actually, that's all. I don't have to explain, I think. If I explain, someone will tell he is wasting time. See, sigma m about A0 plus W into A minus MA equal to 0, MA will come WA. Sigma V0, VA will come W. Answer. Direct. Down W, up W. Rotation, moment about this point. Y about A means no answer now. W into A clockwise, balancing WA anti-clockwise. Now here see, sigma m about B0 minus W into A plus MB0, MB equal WA. Sigma V0, VB minus W0, VB plus W, enter the answer. Then, direct, down W, up W, about the fixed end, anti-clockwise WA, reacting moment, clockwise WA. Over. This question is very fast over now. I was about to tell this portion has no SF and BM. Sorry, it is not shear force bending moment. In SFD BMD, I have to give comments. There is no shearing force or bending moment from free end up to the load. That will come in SFD BMD. Okay. Now, question 3 over. See there. I never wrote W kilonewton, L meter. I never wrote. People who write, let W be the load in kilonewton. Nonsense. Why it should be in kilonewton? It can be in grams also. I told earlier, when you do a book work, never use unit. It is actually complete nonsense. At least they should learn. So many times, I have seen people writing, beam subjected to W kilonewton per meter. What immature statement. Even some places, some reputed books also they used it. With respect, I will tell, little ignorant. I won't use immature for them. They should have corrected it. Okay, done. Now, question 4. Very fast I will solve now. Dictated. See, this is numerical. This question I will solve without talking. You make a fair copy. I will not talk anything. Silent class for 5 minutes. A cantilever beam, I will tell the question in the words. A cantilever beam is of length 5 meter. It is loaded by a concentrated load of 30 kilonewton at 3 meter from fixed end. I am not telling from left right. Cantilever beam is of length 5 meter, point load of 30 kilonewton at 3 meter from fixed end. Over. Find support reaction. Left side. To save the time. I think I should not explain anything now. 5 meter. See, you cannot do this way. You should solve completely. Plus 30 into 3. Minus MA 0. MA is, now you see, now unit is there. Now correct. Now kilonewton will come. 90 kilonewton meter. VA minus 30 equal to 0. VA equal to, see now unit is there. 30 kilonewton. Correct. Or result 5 meter, 3 meter. If you apply 30 kilonewton load here, this reaction is equal to 30 kilonewton. Reacting moment equal to 90 kilonewton meter. Direct. See how difficult for me. Imagine. Now you can make out how much I am struggling and writing so that subject is completely clear. Who will do all these things? They will tell you do yourself only. No, I will do everything. Because I told it is a systematic and complete and full detailed class. You should do one thing. Once I finish writing, you should write it. See, 30 kilonewton. 3 meters from fixed end, not from left and right end. If by chance anything is pending, remove, forgot to remove, you correct it. See, I change L to 5. By mistake, if I forgot it, you change it. That much you cannot do. Don't put a comment. You wrote L's are there. No, direct. See, by solving this way, the subject will be a perfect. Everybody will understand correctly. So that nobody will tell, I am getting difficulty with the left hand fixed or right hand fixed like that. Okay, let me check. Anything missing? 33, 5, 33, 5, 33, 30, 33, 5, 33, 5, 30 kilonewton, 33, 5, 33 MB, 90, 30, 90, 30, 90, 30, yes, over. Question 4 over. Now, question 5. I will dictate. Then I will write in the board, dictate. See correctly what I tell. A cantilever beam is of length L. Length L. It is loaded by an UDL of intensity small w. I told UDL, I take small w per. See, I will never write foolishly W kilonewton per meter. W per unit length. It can be kilonewton per meter, Newton per millimeter, kilonewton per kilometer, or micro Newton per what? Gigameter also. Anything. Okay. So, cantilever beam of length L is loaded by an UDL of intensity W per unit length over the entire span. Over entire length. Entire length is the question. Therefore, now those who want to solve here, their question is what? See, W per unit length. Length is L. Those who solve that way, you can take left side fixed, or if you take right side fixed, you have to write like this. L. Okay, I will write remaining portion, then I will continue. That is to save the time. Start now. Solution. It is a bookwork question. Before I go further, I should not tell first of all UDL of W per unit length for length L. If you want to only load, first of all I should not tell. W into L is the load. If you want moment about here, it is, see here, W into L is the load into center here into L by 2. Here also, total load is W into L. W into L. And if you want moment about this point, W into L is the load into L by 2. First of all, waste of time. Okay, start. Bookwork, W per unit length, as usual, VA, sigma M about A0. See, plus W into L is the total load into L by 2 minus MA0. MA will come. WL into L by 2 is WL square by 2 minus MA0. MA will come. WL square by 2. Sigma V0 plus VA minus total load. W into L equal to 0. VA will come WL. So I entered the answer here. Direct answer. See here. What all I tell you straight. First, vertical equilibrium. Total downward load. Action. W into L is the downward load. Balancing W into L is the reaction. Moment equilibrium, moment about fixed end. W into L is the total load into L by 2. In the sky right there, or free air, W into L by 2. WL into L by 2. Oh, WL square by 2. These are you should write. Okay, over. I need not explain here. Take moment about B, W into L by 2 plus MB0. MB will come, VB will come. Enter the answer, direct answer. Down, up, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Okay, now, question. What is the question number? 1 minute. Question 6. Okay, 6. Correct. I should make a note. Question number. Question 6 over. Okay. I will dictate the question. This question I am solving right now only. I am not going there. I will tell you why. Numerical. By mistake I told a simply supported beam. Sorry. A can't see. This is the only time when I tell sorry. Otherwise, subject point of view, I never told sorry anytime. Tell something and tell sorry, that is wrong. I never told. Okay. A cantilever beam is of length 6 meter. Long beam. It is loaded by an UDL of 8 kilonewton per meter over the entire length. Over. Find support reaction. Okay, start. Write all the statements here. Deviate. Once go this side, once go this side. After you complete this one, R will come. Okay. Those who want take left side fixed. How much it is? I forgot now. 1 nisha. 8 kilonewton per meter. I remember. Span is 6 meter. Okay, solve this question. Or some people may take right side fixed. For them, 8 kilonewton per meter for 6 meter. Solve here. Now I should not solve it. I will just change the numbers, but you make full fair copy. Okay. Again, silent class. Eight into 6 plus clockwise. 8 into 6 is the total load plus outside. Okay. Clockwise, 8 into 6 is the total load into half of 6. Minus MA0. M will come. Enter 48. 48 morely. I think it is plus 144, I think. See, so much of using for calculator. When I was in high school, I would have told the answer very within no time. Now, too much depending on calculator. What to do? 8 into the calculator on 8 into 6 into 3. 144, correct. Sigma V0 plus VA minus 8 into 6 is the total load is 0. If someone enters not clear means not fit for study, structural engineering study, 48 kilonewton. Therefore, reaction VA equal to 48 kilonewton. Now see, now unit will come. 144 kilonewton meter when the beam is of length 6 meter loaded by 8 kilonewton per meter over. Direct answer. 8 kilonewton per meter, 6 meter. Action, downward load. 8 into 6 down. 8 into 6 is 48 down, 48 up. Rotational equilibrium. About fixed end, 1000 times I told. 8 into 6 is the total load into 6 by 2. It will give you 144 in clockwise direction. That's why balancing is 144 anti-clockwise moment. Over. Here. 8K. Now I will not explain here. See, there is a limit for explaining anything. Anti-clockwise. Minus 8 into 6 is the total load into 6 by 2 plus MB0. MB will come plus 144 kilonewton meter. Sigma V0, VB minus 8 into 6 total load equal to 0. VB will come plus 48 kilonewton. Enter here. Span 6 meter. UDL of 8 kN per meter. This reaction is 48 kilonewton. This reaction, now see, now unit is there. 144 kilonewton meter, or directly 8 kilonewton per meter, span of 6 meter, 8 into 6, 48 down, 48 up. In cantilever only once everything is balanced by fixed end. Simply supported two reactions are there. This is specialty of cantilever. MB equal to 8 into 6 into 6 by 2 is 144 kilonewton meter. Question 6 over. Now I am thinking, shall I solve question 7 and 8? I will tell you now. Question 7 and 8 are partial UDL starting from fixed end. See, one's book work, one's numerical. Some distance A I will put. Or you can take this way. That is question number 7 and 8. Question number 9 and 10 are starting from here, starting from free end. I think I will make it, because if I write now, board becomes very dirty. Okay, sufficient today. 6 questions are there. See, every day when I upload, same day make fair copy. Then there is no problem. Okay, enough for today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Hope you are serious and studying everything.